Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Get ready for Islamic quiz. So let's start the video. Number 1. Which one of the Islamic calendar is Ramadan? Nine. Number 2. What is the name of the meal before the start of the fast? Suhoor. Number 3. Laylatul Qadr is a night greater than thousand months. Number 4. What is the meal after sunset called? Iftar. Number 5. How long does Ramadan last? One month. Number 6. When is the meal iftar eaten? After sunset. Number 7. What is the name of Islamic month that follows Ramadan? Shaban. Number 8. Which month comes after Ramadan? Shawwal. Number 9. Which is the holy month in Islam? Ramadan. How many did you get? Comment down below. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye bye.